Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorials how to trim block. For example, I will create block. You can draw rectangle and I will draw circle in the center of this rectangle. The next use a block command to convert this object into block. For pick point, I will click in here and then select object. We select all object. You can set the names. I will set into example and click OK. So this object automatically convert to block reference. Now if you want to trim this block, we can use X-clip command. You can tap X-clip, press enter, select the object, select this block, enter again. The next I will use new boundary and then we use rectangular. So in there I will click from this point into here. It will be automatically cut in the top of this block. You also can select this rectangle and then click at this arrow to reverse the cut like this. To hide this X-clip frames, you can tap X-clip frame, press enter and then set for value into 0 and enter again. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorials how to trim a block. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.